The universe is vast, unimaginably vast. Billions of galaxies, trillions of stars. There are more planets than grains of sand on Earth, and yet silence. This is the Fermi paradox, the haunting question that physicists, astronomers, and dreamers have wrestled with for decades. If the universe is so old, so rich with possibilities, then where is everybody? The story begins in 1950. Enrico Fermi, one of the greatest minds of his time, is having lunch with fellow scientists. They're discussing UFOs, interstellar travel, the sheer that we are not alone. Then Fermi asks the question that will echo through history. But where is everybody? Let's break it down. The numbers don't lie. Even if just a tiny fraction of planets develop life, and an even tinier fraction evolve into intelligent civilizations, the galaxy should be teeming with them. And if even one of those civilizations cracked interstellar travel, they could colonize the entire Milky Way in just a few million years. That's a blink of an eye in cosmic time. Consider this. Our best estimates suggest that the observable universe contains around 200 billion trillion stars. The Milky Way alone has roughly 100 to 400 billion stars. And based on recent astronomical studies, nearly every star likely has at least one planet orbiting it. That means at least 100 billion planets in our galaxy alone, many of them located in the so-called habitable zone, where liquid water could exist. Some estimates even suggest there could be 6 billion Earth-like planets in the Milky Way. Yet as far as we can tell, no one has made contact, no signals, no alien megastructures, no probes drifting through the void, only silence. So what's going on? There are many theories, some more unsettling than others. What if life is rare? What if Earth is an anomaly, a freak accident in a universe otherwise barren and lifeless? Perhaps the conditions for life are so delicate, so specific, that they have only occurred here on this tiny blue planet drifting through the cosmos. A miracle. An unrepeatable stroke of cosmic luck. Or what if something stops civilizations from reaching out? A mysterious force, a cosmic dead end, a universal law that no species can escape. Maybe every civilization reaches a critical threshold, a point where technological advancement becomes its own downfall. Wars, AI, bioweapons, environmental collapse maybe are approaching that same fate. And if this great filter exists, a chilling question remains, is it behind us or ahead? Or perhaps, the silence is intentional. Maybe the universe is a dark forest filled with hunters lurking in the shadows. Any civilization foolish enough to broadcast its existence is swiftly eliminated. Imagine a universe where the first rule of survival is absolute silence. Advanced species might understand that revealing their presence is an invitation for annihilation. Perhaps others have spoken before and were silenced. We listen. But do we dare to speak? What if we are simply incapable of recognizing alien life? Perhaps extraterrestrial beings are not carbon-based but exist in exotic chemical forms, silicon, plasma, or even dark matter. They could be microscopic, interdimensional, or even forms of energy we have yet to understand. Our instruments, built with human assumptions, might be fundamentally flawed in detecting them. Or what if we are looking for something that isn't real? One radical hypothesis suggests that our entire universe is a sophisticated simulation created by an advanced civilization. If true, we wouldn't find alien life because they don't exist in this simulation's framework. Perhaps the programmers deliberately left us isolated. Or maybe, just like in any simulation, we are simply not meant to reach the next level yet. So, what do you think? Are we alone, or is something hiding out there just beyond our reach? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And remember, if the universe seems too quiet, maybe it's because someone wants it that way. Like, subscribe, and keep watching the skies.